How to select all photos at once on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. You can now select as many photos and videos as you want. Select all the photos from here. If you want to delete these photos, then go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Delete icon. Following these steps, you can easily select all photos at once on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.